Do you want access to a collaborative environment where with your colleagues, virtual assistants, you can work together on same GPT chat to help each other improve the results? And all of that for a fraction of the cost of usual ChatGPT subscription. Welcome to Crowded Lab channel, and let me introduce you TeamGPT. I will also show you how you can access GPT-4 with TeamGPT without paying regular monthly subscription to OpenAI. Before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more similar videos and give this video a like if you find this content useful. Moving on. At the moment, TeamGPT is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, and with this tool, you get an environment where you can work on your GPT chats as a team. You will be able to save, share, and reuse prompts with your team members, monitor chat usage, import chat history, and having access to GPT-4 without paying a regular subscription. So the deal structure is pretty simple. In each plan, you have access to all the features, and the only difference is the number of team members. So you can see for yourself what plan suits best your needs. And with plan number 4, you can get 100 team members. And now let's move to the review and demo of TeamGPT. In order to use TeamGPT, you will need to add your OpenAPI key. For that, just go to platform openapi.com, then navigate to API keys and create new secret key for TeamGPT. And in order to have access to GPT-4 model, you need to go to billing section and add some credits to your balance. You can start as low as $5. And you will be charged only for what you use without any monthly commitment. For example, I don't have a monthly subscription for ChatGPT Plus, and I don't want to pay $20 monthly for something that I don't use as often. But with TeamGPT, I can access GPT-4 on demand and pay only for what I use. So let me show you what you can do with TeamGPT. On the left, you can see your chats organized in folders. You can have shared chats where you can collaborate with team members, and you can have your personal ones. To the right, you have your prompts library. You have some system predefined prompts which can be useful for different use cases. You can also organize and save prompts for your team and save prompts in your personal library as well. And now, moving to the actual demo, where I will show you how you can actually collaborate in this tool. We have our shared chat named Project Cloud GPT. The model is GPT-4, and in the settings, we have 2 team members invited to this chat. The first team member is to the left, and the second team member is to the right. Imagine you're working on a project to generate some data for a website. Let's say it is some review data. So you're asking to give 5 reviews of AI writing software, including positive, negative, neutral, with star rating and sentiment for each. Let's go. We see the results have been generated, and those results were made available for the second user as well. And let's say a web developer asked for the same data, but in different format. And the second user knows some tricks to improve formatting, like we can instruct GPT-4 with this system command. So first of all, we can add some reactions and copy original prompt, pasting it, but then we are adding some extra bits to it, like so, modified original prompt. Let's go. And we are getting the results in a JSON format, which developer can use to populate data into our website. Here we have the same data, but structured differently. The name of the software, rating, the review itself, and the sentiment. Is it positive, neutral, or negative? And let's say we also need to have this data in a table format to visualize the output for the whole team. We can check the prompts library, check system prompts, output format, and let's say we would like to order the results in a table. Let's use it and go. So now we are getting the same results, yet in another format. So let's say we like a particular prompt. We can actually copy and save it to our project, paste it here, and we can add variables like so. Let's save it. So now anyone in this chat can use save prompts like so. There are also some additional features, like you can fork the chat from a particular history point and, for example, save it to your personal space. Alright, so that's it for TeamGPT demo. Honestly, I liked using the tool and I like the user experience better than ChatGPT itself. Even if you will be using this tool alone without team members, I think still you will get much better experience than chatting in ChatGPT itself. And if you don't want to pay monthly subscription to ChatGPT and still have access to GPT-4, this is a great option as well. You just need to add your own API key, and TeamGPT will make you available GPT-4 model, and you will pay per usage, not just a standard monthly fee. So to get this tool, please check my affiliate link in the description below. Please also give this video a like and subscribe to get more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.